Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by building the simple strength that pull-ups demand. First, test your dead hang for 5 to 30 seconds. This reveals grip and shoulder readiness. Once done, add scapular pull-ups to train shoulder blade control, because stable shoulders make pulling safer and more efficient. Make sure to perform assisted eccentric negatives to practice the full movement under control, and include horizontal rows for mid-back strength. These steps immediately start the adaptation process. You now progress by reducing assistance in small increments so you keep improving without stalling. Start with a thick band or partner support and gradually move to thinner bands as you handle more body weight. This forces strength gains while preserving form. Once confident, perform slow negatives, 3 to 5 reps with a 3 to 4 second descent to build eccentric strength. Also mix horizontal rows and partial range, pull-ups across 2 to 3 sessions each week. To increase volume, you finish by attempting full strict pull-ups once you can do 3 to 5 clean band-assisted reps without momentum. Stand under the bar, engage lats and core, initiate with a scapular pull, then drive the elbows down until your chin clears the bar. This is how strength transfers to the full movement. If you plateaued, deload for a week, emphasize eccentric repetitions, and recheck grip width and breathing. This troubleshooting step resolves common stalls and keeps progress steady and safe.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.